Skip counting by toss. Direction: help the turkey skip counting by toss. Fill in the missing number for each row. Oh, so, hi, Erin.
Hi.
Okay. Can you read your answering this? Skip counting by toss. Help the turkeys. Skip counting by toss. Count.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
How about this one?
20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 28, 30, 32, 34.
Si Erin niya nagsulat kasi. Next.
30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 30, 40, 42, 44.
Next.
52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66.
Very good. Next.
67, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88.
Ano to?
88.
Very good. Next. Next pa. Tibak mo na.
Hey, where the back?
Para finish na agad. Next. Skip counting by toss. Yan. This one. The missing. This one. What number is this?
96, 98, 96.
From higher to lowest naman siya, no? So, what is this? The 92, 90s. What is the first? The missing is?
Skip counting.
Yeah. 90. Ano ba yan?
94.
Very good. This one.
92.
This one. What is the missing of this one? 88, 86. What is the missing?
84.
Very good. Huwag mong galawin. Ay, nalilito si Lola, pro. Do not touch lang. Kaya gaduling ka video. Padaan si Lola. This one. The missing number of 66 is?
62. And 64.
Very good. How about this one? The missing of 60 is?
65, 56, and 58.
Very good. How about this one? 60?
60, 58, 56, 54.
Very good. How about this one?
52, 50, and 54, and 84.
Ito.
40 and 48 and 46.
What is the missing?
And 44 and 42.
Very good. Last one.
And 43.
What is the missing of 38? Before 38 is?
36.
Very good. Okay, 36.
36. 38. 36. 34. 32.
What is the next of 32 is?
33.
Tinan mo yan ang sulat mo.
34.
Very good. Good job, Erin. Thank you for watching. Okay, God bless. Bye.
Bye.